Hi guys, Omar here with the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, and today I'm going to show you something called lockdown mode. Before I forget, subscribe and also hit the bell icon to be notified of any new videos that I post. Now we're all aware that obviously when you press the power button, the screen locks and you can use your fingerprint to unlock, which is normal. Now one of the things that you can do is you can hold down the power button, you get these options, right? Power off, restart and emergency mode, and at the moment that's off. One of the things you can enable is lockdown mode, and what lockdown mode will do is you have to go into the power mode, you select it, and then it will lock the phone, and you can only open the phone if you have the password. So you have to put the password in to get into the phone, which means that if you're asleep, no one can sort of get your finger and unlock your phone via your fingerprint. Face ID and things like iris unlock won't work anyway because your eyes need to be open, and obviously if you're asleep that's not going to happen. So this is how you enable it. All you do is you go into the settings menu. Now you can navigate normally, but I like to use a search, and if you go on to show lockdown option, and this is in the lock screen and secure lock settings, so you can go through. You have to put your password in to get into this, and then once you're in, you'll be able to get to the show lockdown option. Now what if you enable this, it will disable any biometrics on the lock screen, any notifications, and basically smart lock as well. So for example, smart lock is if you've got a certain Bluetooth device that you normally pair with, the screen won't lock if the phone is paired with that device. So that's what that does. And so if I just turn the phone, and so you got the option there, lockdown mode, and as you can see, there's no password, there's no screen, there's no fingerprint. I have to put the password in to get in, so I'll do that now, and I'm in. So that was just a quick look at show lockdown option on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.